ఓం నమ శ్రీ యతిరాజాయ వివేకానంద సూరయే సచ్చిత్ సుఖ స్వరూపాయ స్వామినే తాపహారిణే. ఓం శ్రీరామకృష్ణాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ శారదాదేవ్యై నమః. ఓం శ్రీ వివేకానంద గురవే నమః. The Song of the Sannyasin, a great poem written by the great Swami Vivekananda in 1895, July 1895 at Thousand Island Park in New York, when Swamiji was teaching to the selected disciples about spiritual life. One day, Swami Vivekananda went to deep Nirvikalpa Samadhi, in deep meditation. He was there in that Nirvikalpa Samadhi state for a long time. After that, after coming back to the normal consciousness, Swami Vivekananda wrote this greatest poem, poured out his spiritual experiences as the Song of the Sannyasin, and given a great gift to humanity. We offer our humble salutations at the lotus feet of great teacher, great Acharya Vishwaguru Swami Vivekananda, as a humble offering at his feet, the Song of the Sannyasin. The Song of the Sannyasin. Wake up the note, the song that had its birth far off, where worldly taint could never reach, whose calm no sigh for lust or wealth or fame could ever dare to break, where rolled the stream of knowledge, truth and bliss that follows both. Sing high that note, Sannyasin bold, say, Om Tat Sat, Om. Strike off thy fetters, bonds that bind thee down, of shining gold or darker, baser or. Love, hate, good, bad, and all the dual throng. No slave is slave, caressed or whipped, not free. For fetters, though of gold, are not less strong to bind. Then off with them, Sannyasin bold, say, Om Tat Sat, Om. Let darkness go, the will o' the wisp that leads with blinking light to pile more gloom on gloom. This thirst for life, forever quench. It drags from birth to death and death to birth the soul. He conquers all who conquer self. Know this and never yield. Sannyasin bold, say, Om Tat Sat, Om. Who sows must reap, they say, and cause must bring the sure effect. Good, good, bad, bad, and none escape the law. Whoso wears a form must wear the chain. Too true, but far beyond both name and form is Atman, ever free. Know thou art that. Sannyasin bold, say, Om Tat Sat, Om.